So, hello, this is the second video on Nginx security hardening for WordPress server level. And so today, WordPress powers more than 40% of websites worldwide, which makes it one of the biggest targets for attackers. Many developers install security plugins, but they forget about the first layer of protection, the web server layer. In this episode, we will configure Nginx to block common WordPress attacks before they even reach PHP. And you may ask why the server level security matters. I will try to explain. Attacker is looking through the several steps, starting from Nginx web server serving request. It comes to PHP FPM and then to passes to WordPress. It could work with database, and most attacks consume resources before WordPress can react. For example, attackers could scan VP admin if it exists, requesting backup files, uploading PHP shells, accessing configuration files, or abusing XML-RPC. So our goal is to block such requests on Nginx web server level. So let's look into configuration on the screen. As you can see, each directives location, XML-RPC returns 444 code. That directive blocks requests, such requests without any response. So they just didn't work. For example, we could try such request with curl utility. So as you can see, Nginx web server returns empty answer from server. The second example, we will try accessing what it contains the bug log. As you can see, it is blocked with error 4 or 3 forbidden. The same will be if I will try to location which start from dot, for example, .n, .git, .htaccess, .idea. All of them you will get the same 4 or 3 forbidden error. The same is if you try to put some PHP files in uploads, VP content uploads, or uploads files, directories. Those files also will get error 4 or 3 forbidden. And the same is if you will try to open the config or a file which ends to SQL, backup, backhold, Audit, save, svp, zip, tar, targzip, argzip files, and also access to readme HTML and license TXT are forbidden. So that's basically what I wanted to tell you. In the next episode, we will continue improving WordPress security by protecting login endpoints, analyzing attacks and logs, and configuring threat ban. Subscribe if you want to more real-world PHP, Linux, and security tutorials. Share this video. Support me on Patreon, and also buy my products on Coffee. See you in the next video. Bye bye.